Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for a Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And it's time for another video previewing this Rite Aid ad for January 7th through the 13th of 2017. Okay, before I get into the ad, I do want to say it looks like the potential for 6 coupon inserts coming in the paper on Sunday. 3 Smart Source, 3 Red Plum. Okay, so lots of coupons. A lot of them will be useful for this sale at Rite Aid this week. Okay, so this video is going to be talking about household products, paper products, and like the laundry soap, cleaning supplies, that kind of thing. I already did a video talking about the Huggies deal, so that's over there in the other video. This one's going to be about this, and I probably will do at least 2 more videos. I'm not sure. This ad has so many deals going on, potential ways that you could do this bonus cash bash that they have going on. So yeah, anyways, we're just going to talk about household products. But before we get into it, here's some things that I want you to remember about the bonus cash bash. This is spend $50, you get $20 bonus cash back, and it's a limit of 2, okay? The $20 bonus cash will have to be spent all at one time, okay? That's just the way it is. So if you don't think that you're ever going to be able to spend $20 on deals at Rite Aid, then I don't suggest you do this deal, okay? Okay. BOGO sale items. So the first item will ring up full price, whatever the shelf price is. And then the second item is going to ring up $0 towards this $50, okay? So like if you picked up 2 of these vitamins, the first one will be full price, the second will be 0. And 0 does not count anything towards $50. People ask me this. That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you these things, because people ask me these things all the time. Coupons will not affect the amount of this $50 that you spend. And, you know, counting towards the deal. This deal will track on your receipt. And also, I'm going to skip over that. This deal is a mix and match. You don't have to buy $50 of one item. You might see me laying out a transaction or scenario where you are buying $50 of the same item, but you do not. It's a mix and match. Okay? Now, $20 of bonus cash is the equivalent of getting 40% return on your $50 that you spend. Okay? And so I'm going to be referring to my little chart here in some of my scenarios. What I'm essentially doing here is, if I spend $50, I'm getting $20 back. That's 40%. So 50 times 0.4 is $20. Okay, so if something costs $9.99 times 40%, that's going to return me back $3.99 of my $9.99. Okay, and so this is useful to find out how much the item's actually going to cost in the end. Okay, how much am I going to get back for that particular item? So that's what I'm talking about there. All right, so I'm just going to be jumping through this ad, looking at the household products. And so first off, I want to talk about the Tide right here. It's on sale for $4.94 and $2 load to car coupon. We also have the coupon from the P&G last week, so this is still a valid coupon. So you would pay $2.94 for a bottle of Tide. And you would get the equivalent, their 40% back when you spend that $50 would be the equivalent of about $1.97. So it would make the bottle of Tide 97 cents. Because you might only have one Tide coupon. You're going to buy some Tide. You're going to buy some Brawny. You know, you might pick up a toothbrush over here. Schick razors are going to be money makers if you have the coupons. Okay. So you might mix and match here. So that's a really, really excellent deal, because I don't want to pay more than $3 for a bottle of Tide. And actually $2.50 is a lot. So getting it for 97 cents, that's a good deal. Okay. I mean, if you wanted to only buy Tide, I think you'd need to buy like 11 of them to hit $50. So That's up to you. Okay, now we have Angel Soft, Brawny, and Quilted Northern are buy one, get one free. These are the prices at the store here, $11.99 and then $10.99. So, I don't know about any coupons right now, and I looked at the list of coupons that are coming on Sunday, and like I said, there are so many coupons coming, I can't remember all of them, and I'm not going back and looking them up. So you can look on Sunday if you got any coupons, or who knows what might show up on the printing sites also, or unload the card. So basically the Angel Soft, so they're buy one get one free. You pick up 2 of them, $10.99, and you get the equivalent of $4.39 back. It makes it $6.60 for 2 once you spend that $50. $3.30 each, so that's a pretty good deal. Brawny or Quilted Northern with the $11.99 price takes it down to $3.60 each, okay, when you buy 2. All right, so we're skipping forward here. And these are the center pages that have Rite Aid brand products. And so I just thought I'd point out this Big Win tissue right here comes down to $4.19 when you spend that $50. Their trash bags right here on sale for $2.99. It would come down to $1.80 when you spend $50 total to get that $20 back. And then also their paper plates, bowls, and stuff are part of bonus cash as well. And they're buy one, get one half off. So that might be a good deal if you need some of those. Okay. So now here's the cleaning supply and household good page. So, you know, this Airwick has coupons coming in the paper. So, and they're buy one, get one free. So you might look into that. The finish, usually the coupons we get in the paper don't match any of the finished products that they have at Rite Aid. So maybe they do at your store, but they don't around here. But this finish is $7.99, and that's buy one, get one free. The All and the Snuggle right here, it says a $3 on 2 coupon coming in the paper, and they're 2 for $6. Okay, so here's an example. If you wanted to max out and just buy a bunch of this, it would take 18 of them to get the $54, and you would need 9 of the coupons that take $27 off. You pay $27, you get $20 in bonus cash back, and that would make it $7 for 18, or 39 cents each. But of course, you, like I said, you don't need to buy all of, 18 of these. You could buy 2 of these, use 1 of those coupons, buy a Tide, buy a couple of packs of Brawny, mix and match here. These large boxes of Glad trash bags are $12.99. So after you spend the $50, it'd take them down to $7.79. Lysol products, it says some coupons coming. You might already have some like tear pads or something like that coupons. These prices are the shelf prices in pink here. They're buy one, get one free. So there's potential for some good deals there also. Brita Pitcher's got a coupon coming. There's some electronic stuff. Swiffer, not included in bonus cash. See, it does not have the thing. I'm getting a cold, by the way. So my nose is really running, and I don't know when I'm going to not be able to talk anymore either. My throat's getting bad. So I'm hoping it's not the flu. Okay. All right, let's talk about the Purex right here. So if you happen to have some of these Purex coupons, $1.50, they are no longer available. They were on coupons.com a while back. I happened to print me some, although I believed I was not going to use them. I think I have like 5 or 6 of them. I didn't think I was going to use them when I printed them, but here we go. So this is, they're on sale for $1.99. All right, so if you had 26 coupons, this is just an extreme example right here, okay? Of course, 26 of them times $1.99 would get you over the $50, minus $39 of coupons. Of course, I don't have this many, so I'm not going to be doing this. That take it down to paying $12.74 for 26 of them. You get $20 in the bonus cash back, so that takes it down to $7.26. Oh, moneymaker, because you only pay $12.74 and you get $20 back. So that's a moneymaker right there. Plus, Saving Star has an offer, spend $15 on Purex and get $4 in cash back. Okay, so I don't think I have enough coupons to get the Saving Star, but anyways, I'll definitely buy these and get some tracking towards Saving Star. So anyways, it's a really good deal. If you have this, I'm definitely throwing these into a transaction with something else, with a bottle of Tide and who knows what else. Okay, so that's that deal. Okay, finally, I want to talk about the Kimberly-Clark paper products right here. So what is included is Cottonelle bath tissue right here. It's a 12-pack, and those are $11.99 at the store around here. Be sure and check the prices at your store, okay? The Cottonelle cleansing cloths, it's 168 count. They're $9.99. Viva 6-pack right here, which is $12.99, and then the Kleenex 4-pack. So I'm thinking that one's the $5.99 one if I pick the right thing that's on the shelf there. Okay, so they're buy one, get one free. All right, so we got this new Catalina deal that started back on Monday. Spend $25 on Kimberly-Clark paper products, and you get a $5 Catalina back. All right, here we are, Kimberly-Clark. So, oh yeah, and the other thing is the Kleenex is part of Allergy Rewards. And I made a video talking about how to sign up for Allergy Rewards if you were not already signed up for it. Now, as for coupons, I believe the Smart Source is going to have some coupons coming on Sunday, so look there. I think $1 off ones. Might have some load to cart coupons. I made a video talking about this website, pickupthevalues.com. I'm not sure. I don't know that any of those have coupons on there right now, but they may show up. And then also check coupons.com. All the usual places for these coupons. You may have some tear pads or something like that, Peelies or something. The Kleenex, I'm pretty sure we're getting the $1 off of a bundle pack. The standard coupon, it's like $1 off of 3 boxes or $1 off a bundle pack. And so these 4-pack of Kleenex right here at $5.99, buy one get one free. If you picked up 10 of them, because we're trying to hit $25 for this Catalina. I say use $5 in manufacturer coupons because you're not supposed to use a coupon on a free item at Rite Aid, but the cash register will take it. So you could theoretically use $10 in coupons, so keep that in mind. Anyhow, that'll get you the $5 Catalina back. You got to buy all of this at the same time in order to get this Catalina back. Okay, you got to be all in one transaction. So it's a really high out of pocket here. So keep that in mind. And then that'll be the equivalent of getting back $11.98 from the bonus cash of that $20, you know, when you spend $50. It'll be $11.98 of this $20. So that takes it down to $7.97, and then Allergy Rewards would give you an equivalent back of $7.98 off of that $29.95. Okay. It's a really good deal on the Kleenex. That's all I can say if you're doing Allergy Rewards, okay? And Allergy Rewards will track on your card. Okay, Viva are $12.99 BOGO. So if you bought 4 of those, that'll get you over the $25 to get this $5 back. I say use 4 coupons, $4 off coupons. And then you get the $5 Catalina back. That's the equivalent of about $10.39 back from the bonus cash, and so that takes it down to $6.59 for 4 packs of Viva. That's a really excellent price on the Viva, I can tell you that. And then in the Cottonelle, the $11.99. Here's the thing: $11.99 and $12.99. If you wanted to do 2 Viva and 2 Cottonelle, it's only $24.98. You're 2 pennies away from $25. Now, one time I bought Huggies, and I was a penny short, and it gave it to me, but I can't guarantee it's going to give it to you. Okay, so, you know, spend more than $25. So in my scenario here, because these are $11.99, get 4 Cottonelle and then 2 of the Kleenexes. And use $6 in coupons, get the $5 back, and the equivalent of $11.98 from this $20 here. Of course, you need to spend the rest to get $20, get up to $50. And then, so that's about $6.99 for 6 items. So, and that doesn't count anything back for the allergy rewards on the Kleenex. So, really good deal there. Okay, I'm going to cut it off there, and I'll talk to you guys later.